Friends, and I'm Goan. Today we are going to cook spinach. Spinach is very good for our health because it reduces the cholesterol. Now always try to use the organic spinach, which you can see. You can see this. Or this is the organic spinach, because this organic spinach, which is not sourced from DDT. Okay, so we have to use this type of spinach. Now also this spinach is a leafy vegetable. You can see these are almost they are all leaves, and it has a source of minerals and vitamins and etc. For example, it has iron, magnesium, which the body need to work properly and stay healthy. And also this spinach improves the quality of blood. But the other side, the flip side of this spinach is, if you eat very often or if you eat too much of this spinach regularly, because this spinach is loaded with oxalates. Now oxalates is just like in other words, is the kidney stones. Now oxalate that creates kidney stones. Now to reduce these oxalates or having trouble with the kidney stones, we need to have lemon juice. Now lemon is a great way of consuming vitamin C, and also it reduces the level of bad cholesterol in our bodies. The next thing, we need a sweet potato, which we have a sweet potato here. They are low in calories and filled with fibers, which protect against heart disease. Then I'm using this red lentils. This also can help lower cholesterol. Now I'm also using olive oil. Now olive oil is unsaturated fat, can help lower cholesterol. It also has high concentration of monounsaturated fat. Then I'm using onion and garlic. They also reduces cholesterol levels. And then of course I'm going to use a little bit of water, and I will be using only little salt to taste. I'm going to wash this spinach, because you can see there's a lot of mud on it. So I'm going to wash this. Then I will peel off this sweet potato and everything. I'm going to keep ready. Now this spinach, organic spinach, is been washed thoroughly. All the mud everything has been I removed it by. You can chop. Okay, you don't have to chop very fine, because as you do it, as you cook it, it will become soft anyway. Okay, so this much. I've heated this pan, and now I'm using this olive oil. Then I'm using this finely chopped onion. Let's fry it for a while. I don't want to do golden fry, just fry for a while. Okay, this is how I need an onion, not frying that golden brown. Okay, so now I'm just adding the garlic. I'm just chop the garlic, not a fine. Okay, just chop the garlic. Just keep for a few minutes. Now this is how I cut into pieces the sweet potato. So I'm adding this first now. Okay, so because it will take more time than the cooking spinach, so I'll start with this first. So I'll add a little water now. And cover this pan. Okay, so now you can see my sweet potato is almost soft, almost. So now I'm adding the spinach. Now all the spinach will go down eventually. Okay, once it's been cooked properly. At this point I'm adding a little bit salt, just for taste. and let's close the lid again. With that steam it will go. Now what we have to do here with this, especially the spinach, do not overcook the spinach. Okay, we should not be overcooking the spinach at all. It should like we should like just steam the spinach, because otherwise it will kill all its nutrients. By overcooking the spinach, it will kill all its nutrients, whatever it has, all these vitamins, minerals. So we are not going to kill that. So we are just going to steam the spinach now. Okay, so let's cook for a while. Now I'm opening the lid. You can see it's like started boiling. Now I got these lentils. Now I soaked in water for only for 5 minutes. So I'm just adding these lentils now. Okay. Now you can mix all together. Let's close it. So now the spinach and the lentil is cooked well. You can see it now, because as I said, overcooking the spinach will kill all its nutrients. So we are not going to cook that spinach overcooking. There's no point of eating spinach otherwise. Okay, so the spinach is cooked. I'm just the lemon juice. Okay, as I said, to because eating spinach reduce the oxalates or having trouble with those kidney stones. Okay, so our spinach vegetable is done, and I'm taking in a serving bowl. So I'm putting on this serving bowl, and I hope you're going to eat this type of vegetable or spinach that will reduce your cholesterol. Thank you for watching.